Hey, yo, Stu, my boy Peter and I are watching this Sandler movie, That's My Boy. You gotta come check it out, man. It's amazeballs.
This is just the DVD menu.
Oh, no way. Oh, man, I am buzzing hardcore off of that chaw, man.
Brian, what is it?
Deuce, like...
This is Deuce like poo, but what the devil has happened to you?
I woke up, Kemosabe?
No, I mean it. How could one bad test score transform you into a complete moron? Brian, I'm concerned something is very wrong with you.
With you? Nah, man, I've never felt better, Beef Stew. Bazinga!
Like what the gay scientist says. Hey, Brian, say something else from TV.
What you talking about, Phyllis?
Ah, gross. He's getting his nose.
Oh my God, we've got to get him to a hospital. Don't worry, Brian, I'll save you. I'm good in a crisis. After all, I used to work the suicide hotline.
I just can't take it. I discovered my wife's been cheating on me for a while. And I can't live like this. I have to kill myself.
Doesn't it make more sense to kill her?
Brian, the good news is we've stopped the bleeding, and we've removed the Matchbox car that was lodged in your rectum.
I did that right after you passed out.
Classic.
But Dr. Hartman, why did he lose consciousness?
Well, keeping in mind the recent behavioral changes you've described, I did a CAT scan on a dog. We laughed about that too. However, I'm sorry to inform you that Brian has a brain tumor.
Oh my God!
There's only one thing to do. Shrink down to microscopic size, enter Brian's brain, and destroy the tumor from within. I was raped by a bug. Brain tumor? How is that possible? As a father in a hospital getting bad news, I am going to sadly slide down the wall and take my hat off. I forgot the hat. So, Doc, how much Jamba Juice do I have to drink to cure this? I've also heard that, like, crystals exist?
Dr. Hartman, do you think the brain tumor might explain why Brian's been acting so odd lately?
Well, I haven't heard of brains being linked to behavior, but I suppose anything is possible. Mom, is Dad gonna die?
No, Chris, Brian is the one with the brain tumor. Dr. Hartman, what's the prognosis?
Well, it says here, Brian's tumor is for office use only.
Benign, it says benign.
Oh, Brian, that's wonderful news! You're going to be okay! Winning! Remember somebody said that? Well, since Brian's tumor poses no immediate threat, we can schedule surgery to remove it, and he'll be back to his old self in no time. Well, I say we get that tumor out of him right away before he gets any dumber. No way! I'm never going back to my old self. I rock like this. I'm legit. I'm Uber. I'm awesome sauce. Either take the tumor out of him or put one in me. I can't stand this!
So if Brian doesn't have the surgery, will he be alright?
I don't know, is Dax Shepard alright? That seems kind of gratuitous. My point is, Brian could have the surgery and be smart again, or he could skip the surgery and stay dumb like this.
Well, Brian, if you're happy this way...
Hells to the yeah, I am! Hey, I was told there would be a lollipop at the end of this. Good, he doesn't know about the stickers. I'll take two. Right, you're not thinking clearly. Alright, you've got to agree to this surgery. Because right now you're as useless as Black Widow is to the Avengers. So, what's your superpower?
Kicking.
Oh, right, because none of us can kick. Hey, which one of you guys can kick? Hulk, stop being nice. Sorry. Please don't embarrass me here. Pepperoni pie, extra cheese, G32. Oh, cool, my friend Pete is here. Pizza. No, that's gonna be me in like a minute. Over here, bro. Oh, I moved my foot. Hey, this isn't the Kenny Chesney concert. No, Brian, this is called yoga. Lots of smart people do it instead of going to church. And after we get done with this, you're going to talk a lot about being present and grounded. You're going to be impossible to be around. Let's get started. Whoa! Swing! 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 That was from Wayne's World. This is the sound of Wayne, boner. Okay, before you say anything, no, this is not the Kenny Chesney concert. We're here to have a nice, civilized dinner, and to show you that you don't have to eat all your meals in your car. And we're going to start by hearing the waiter give us the specials. Good evening. Our first special is an almond-crusted salad. Hey, cram it, Skinny. Give me free food, or I'm going to tell people on Yelp there was a pube in my salad. Free food, right away. Okay, alright, I forgot that Yelp is a weapon for dumb people. You taught me something today, right? That I can throw a frog 100 feet? Ugh, I can't change your back. This His whole endeavor was doomed to fail. Like an Asian guy going to a salon.
I want to have my anus breached.
He's gone. It appears I've lost my the dumb side. So now, I need you to be Brian. Here's your collar. And here's a laptop. Write something bad. It was the last day of summer and the first day of the rest of her life. Wow, you did that with your face!
Hey, what's this? Gay ward practice?
That's the 8th time you've asked me that today. Listen, Brian, I've been trying to change you. But I realized that if you're happy, I need to accept the you that you want to be. No matter how painful that is. What are you doing?
Oh, my friend Terry told me you can get high from licking paint.
Who's Terry?
He's friends with Gus.
Who's Gus?
Gus is Terry's friend. You kind of had to be there.
For what? No story has been told.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go put on my python and walk to the park.
Brian, wait. I'm trying to say that I accept your choice to forego surgery. I release you into the thick mire of stupidity.
Hey, Brian, I started the car in the garage and it's all foggy in there. Want to go pretend we're in London?
Oh, totally. Shrimp on the Barbie, huh?
Yes.
Good Lord! If I could do something, his stupidity would kill him. And then I'd lose Brian forever. Like that dog the Russians shot into space.
He made it! Your dog is in orbit! It's wonderful! How do we get him back now? Oh, about that, we do not. Oh, my poor dog! He will die up there!
Jean Condem, I find Happy Dog Planet. In 50 years, we all go back to Earth and bite everybody. But now we dance!
I've got to convince him to get that tumor removed before it's too late.
Now remember, it's England, so take long, deep breaths.
Wait a second. I've been approaching this far too intelligently. He's an idiot, so this won't be hard at all. Hey, Brian, you want to go see Dr. Hartman and get that procedure where you get 2 wieners?
Whoa, hell yeah! That way when I watch Black Swan, I can aim one at Natalie Portman and aim the other at...
Yes, we all know who the other one was. Let's go!
Well, good news, Griffins. Brian is going to be just fine. I was able to remove his tumor. And if anyone wants to keep it, it's here in this Tupperware.
This is half of a chicken cutlet.
Oh, boy. What did I have for lunch?
Oh, Brian, I'm so glad you're all right.
Thanks. But it's all kind of surreal. I mean, being in this hospital bed, I feel like the main character of As I Lay Dying, as he or she lay dying. Oh, that's just the amount of superficial quasi-knowledge the old Brian had. I missed you, buddy. Welcome back. Thanks, Stewie. You never gave up on me. You knew that wasn't really me. Yeah, well, it's no big... I mean, I was having fun, making new friends, getting laid all the time, sleeping like a rock, but you made the call. You unilaterally decided I was better off a bitter alcoholic failure who can only hang out with a baby. Hey, we have fun.
Hey, Lois, guess what? I had them do that 2-wiener operation on me.
You what?
Jumbo, jumbo! Uh-oh, that was the original.